Transportation and future mobility. Transportation and future mobility are on the brink of a transformative revolution that is reshaping every aspect of how we move, live, and interact within our urban and rural environments. The evolution of transportation is no longer simply about faster or more efficient vehicles. It has become an intricate tapestry of technologies, systems, and innovative ideas that converge to create a network where mobility is intelligent, sustainable, and deeply integrated into our daily lives. At the core of this evolution is the accelerated shift from traditional fossil fuel-driven vehicles to cleaner, electric-powered alternatives that not only reduce environmental impact but also usher in a new era of connected and autonomous travel. Electric vehicles, EVs, are becoming more affordable and efficient every day, supported by sprawling networks of charging stations that are powered increasingly by renewable energy. This grand shift is leading to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, improved air quality, and a more sustainable way of life overall. Parallel to the rise in electric propulsion is the rapid development of autonomous vehicle technology. Self-driving cars are being designed with sophisticated sensor arrays such as cameras, LiDAR, and radar systems that constantly gather data to navigate complex urban environments. These vehicles rely on advanced machine learning algorithms to interpret their surroundings and make split-second decisions that prioritize safety, efficiency, and fluid traffic management. The promise of autonomous vehicles is significant. Not only do they offer a potential future with dramatically fewer accidents caused by human error, but they also bring improvements to the overall efficiency of transportation networks. Autonomous vehicles can communicate with one another and with centralized traffic management systems, sharing information in real time to coordinate movements, reduce congestion, and enhance the overall flow of traffic. This interconnected web of self-regulating technology represents the dawn of a new era in mobility, where the combination of electric power and artificial intelligence creates a transportation ecosystem that is both resilient and remarkably adaptive. The future of mobility extends well beyond personal vehicles. Urban transportation systems are undergoing a major transformation as cities strive to become smarter and more livable. Modern urban centers are increasingly adopting shared mobility solutions that integrate buses, trains, trams, bikes, scooters, and ride-hailing services into a seamless, multimodal network. Such systems are designed to offer door-to-door connectivity that minimizes travel times and maximizes convenience for users. Digital platforms are at the heart of these integrated systems, enabling commuters to plan trips, track vehicle locations in real time, and make hassle-free transactions through apps that consolidate different modes of transport. These innovations are essential for reducing urban congestion and creating cities that are less reliant on single-occupancy vehicles. The future will see not only the expansion of shared mobility options, but also the creation of intelligent urban hubs where data-driven decision-making continually refines and optimizes the transport infrastructure. Moreover, breakthroughs in high-speed transportation systems are redefining how we think about long-distance travel. Concepts such as Hyperloop and high-speed magnetic levitation trains are at the forefront of these developments. By utilizing near-vacuum tubes or magnetic fields to minimize friction, these systems promise to deliver unprecedented travel speeds while consuming considerably less energy than conventional rail or air transport. Although still in the experimental and early commercial stages, these breakthrough technologies aim to connect distant urban centers in a matter of minutes rather than hours. Such innovations have the potential to radically alter regional economies by enabling faster cargo delivery and enhancing personal mobility across vast areas. As these systems mature, they could bring about a paradigm shift in how we perceive distance and time in relation to travel, ultimately contributing to a new global network of rapid transit solutions. Air mobility is also undergoing a significant transformation, thanks to the emergence of electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. These futuristic vehicles are engineered to provide urban air mobility, enabling swift, reliable, and environmentally friendly transportation over congested cityscapes. eVTOL aircraft, which resemble sleek, compact air taxis, are expected to operate on designated flight corridors, offering services that range from emergency medical evacuations to routine commutes. The integration of urban air mobility into existing transportation networks presents a host of technological and regulatory challenges, yet the potential benefits, in terms of reduced traffic congestion and faster travel times, are immense. As the technology continues to evolve, cities may soon witness the emergence of multi-tiered transportation networks, where road, rail, and air travel operate in harmony to meet the diverse mobility needs of their residents. Underlying all these advances is the critical role of digital connectivity and smart infrastructure. The future of transportation is inevitably linked to the proliferation of the Internet of Things, IoT, where thousands of interconnected devices continuously collect and transmit data to centralized hubs or through decentralized networks. Smart highways, equipped with sensors and real-time monitoring systems, track traffic density, detect accidents, and optimize signal timings automatically. This data-driven approach extends to maintenance and safety protocols, allowing for predictive repairs that prevent system failures before they occur. Cities equipped with such technology can dramatically improve response times during emergencies, thereby safeguarding public safety and ensuring the smooth operation of transportation networks. Digital twins, which are virtual models of physical infrastructure, enable simulation of traffic patterns, infrastructure upgrades, and scenario planning, leading to enhanced urban planning and more efficient infrastructure development. Sustainability is a recurring theme throughout the evolution of transportation, as the ongoing shift toward decentralized energy production and digital monitoring systems fosters both environmental and economic benefits. By lowering reliance on fossil fuels through the widespread adoption of electric vehicles and renewable energy sources, emerging transportation models contribute significantly to the global effort to combat climate change. Additionally, the reduction of noise and air pollution improves urban living conditions, making cities healthier and more enjoyable places to live. Sustainable mobility is not only about cleaner air and reduced emissions, it is also about creating resilient infrastructure that supports economic growth and improves quality of life. The future looks promising as innovators continue to push the boundaries of what is possible by designing systems that harness renewable energy and leverage intelligent data analytics to keep urban transport running smoothly. Collaborative efforts between governments, industries, and research institutions are paramount in addressing the challenges and harnessing the potential of future mobility. Regulatory frameworks and public policies are being re-evaluated and redesigned to support the integration of autonomous systems, shared mobility platforms, and next-generation transportation infrastructure. Collaborative research and public-private partnerships are fostering innovation, accelerating the deployment of cutting-edge technologies, and ensuring that the benefits of technological advancements are distributed equitably among society's members. While the rapid pace of innovation raises valid concerns regarding privacy, cybersecurity, and job displacement, these challenges are being met with robust discussions, in-depth studies, and iterative policy reforms that aim to create a balanced approach to progress. Furthermore, the cultural and behavioral shifts associated with future mobility are reshaping societal expectations about transportation. The modern commuter is increasingly embracing flexible, multimodal transit options, favoring services that offer convenience, reliability, and sustainability over the traditional ownership model. As shared mobility becomes more accessible, urban populations may experience a reduction in personal vehicle usage, leading to less congested roads, lower accident rates, and a decrease in the demand for extensive parking facilities. This transformation not only liberates urban spaces for green initiatives and public amenities, but also contributes to a more socially and environmentally responsible urban environment. The merging of technology and public interest in smart, sustainable transport solutions goes beyond mere convenience. It represents a societal commitment to rethinking and redesigning how we traverse our world in a way that benefits everyone. All these developments signal that the future of transportation is set to become more efficient, interconnected, and intelligently managed. Every innovation, from electrification and autonomous driving to high-speed transit and urban air mobility, plays a part in crafting a cohesive ecosystem that promises not only to revolutionize how we move, but also to redefine the relationship between people and the spaces they inhabit. The ongoing transformation in mobility is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless desire to overcome traditional limitations. By harnessing advanced technologies, fostering collaborative networks, and reimagining the built environment, we are laying the groundwork for a future where transportation is not only faster and cleaner but also smarter and more responsive to the evolving needs of society. As we look forward to what lies on the horizon, it is clear that the confluence of these advancements will continue to push the frontiers of what modern transportation can achieve. There is a palpable sense of excitement and possibility as we witness the gradual but inevitable shift towards mobility ecosystems that prioritize sustainability, efficiency, and connectivity at every level. This transformation is not a distant promise but is actively unfolding across cities and regions around the world, setting the stage for a future where transportation is seamlessly integrated into the digital fabric of our lives, driving progress and improving the human experience in ways we are only beginning to understand.